Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that... Welcome back to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I will be showing you guys this glueless unit from ISEE Hair. Y'all, they literally have the best glueless unit, so if you're gonna shop glueless, shop ISEE every single time, okay? This wig is from them. I love it so much. It took me all of less than, I think, 10 minutes to do this. So if you guys are interested to see how I pulled it off, then go ahead and continue watching. But also, I'm gonna need you to thumbs this video up and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also, subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit. If you subscribe, then you lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. All right, so y'all, after raving about the last ISEE glueless wig, they sent me another one, and today we're gonna be trying this one out. I don't know exactly what curl pattern this is, but it is so freaking gorgeous, so I cannot wait to try it. I have not put the unit on my head yet. This is how it came out of the package. As you guys can see, the lace is pre-cut. They also have bleached the knots, and it is pre-plucked as well. Also, on the wig comes a elastic band, so it fits to every head shape, every head size. And I gotta cut this tag before I try it on. All right, y'all, let's see. I'm about to put it on. Ooh. You already can barely see the freaking lace. Like, this is crazy. This is straight out of the box. I'm just adjusting it to my head. I'm of course gonna have to fix the middle part, but so far for this to be straight out of the box and I didn't have to do anything is crazy. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and put some makeup on the lace because you can see it just a little bit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal that. I'm just using a powder. Cannot go wrong. They have the best glueless wigs. Oh my god. All right, so of course I gotta get this part right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my comb and just make sure that the part is in the middle of my head. And define the part with a little bit of spray, and I just take my comb and put it in the middle of the part and then spray. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and push the front of this unit. I just like the hair to be going away from my face in the front. I feel like that gives it that fresh salon look. I love, love, love. The top of the unit flattened out, and I just brightened up my lights a little bit, y'all, so I'm sorry for the lighting change, but I'm about to just go ahead and define some of this hair over the top, just from combing out the top and flattening it out. This part kind of got a little bit frizzy, so I'm just gonna add some mousse and then I'm gonna dry it so that you guys can see what the unit is supposed to look like. So I'm just about to do that now, and then y'all, I think that's pretty much gonna be it. Like, I did not have to do much at all. This is crazy.
took me all of like less than 10 minutes. Honestly, y'all, if you're gonna shop glueless wigs, then you guys need to shop ISEE hair. The lace is so thin, so undetectable. It comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked. All of that is already done for you, and the hair quality is amazing. 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. 10s across the board, okay? I'm so in love with the way that it came out. This is definitely a very, very convenient unit, and I love, love, love the way that it looks. It feels so good. It looks so good. I'm just feeling myself. Of course, all the links on this unit will be listed down below, as well as a coupon code, so do not forget to go down there. Also, you guys, they will be running a sale, so do not forget to check that on their website. That pretty much completes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do not forget to give me a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you lit too, and that's on what? That's on me, period, okay? Yeah, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.